Nazaré, where towering waves meet quaint coastal charm. Rolling into this enchanting Portuguese town in our campervan felt like embarking on an epic adventure. Here's a glimpse into our unforgettable journey.
Hi, welcome to TzubyCAMPERS, the place for family van life adventures. Join us as we hit the road to discover breathtaking destinations and share travel tips. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest adventures. Let's get this journey started.
We parked our campervan in a convenient free parking lot near the Atlantic. We were greeted by breathtaking vistas and the invigorating scent of the sea breeze. Nazaré offers some parking options to vanlifers, even if these spots are set slightly away from the coastline. Despite this, the town's laid-back charm made us feel right at home in its cozy coastal embrace.
Nazaré is legendary for its record-breaking waves. It's here, at Praia do Norte, where the world's largest wave, a staggering 26 meters tall, was surfed by Garrett McNamara in 2011. These waves are caused in Nazaré by a unique underwater geological feature known as the Nazaré Canyon, a massive submarine canyon that reaches depths of up to 5,000 meters and stretches over 230 kilometers. Even if surfing isn't our thing, watching these aquatic giants roll in is an adrenaline rush.
In the morning, we enjoyed breakfast by the beach before strolling through the charming streets of the city. Later in the evening, we took the historic funicular railway to the top. A thrilling adventure for our children and a treat for us with its breathtaking views.
Traveling to Nazaré in a campervan is more than just a road trip. It's a journey into the heart of Portugal's coastal culture. With its dramatic landscapes, friendly locals, and thrilling experiences, Nazaré is a destination that's hard to leave behind, but one we'll carry with us forever.
Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this vlog, make sure to give it a thumbs up. To make your experience even more incredible, don't forget to check out our TzubyCAMPERS accessories on our website. Plus, we've got some great deals waiting for you. Don't miss out.